Yo. What's up, guys? Basically, I'm gonna try and build a. So obviously, I have a little bit of experience with make.com, right? So I wanna like test the limits of Zapier as well. So Zapier and make.com, if you guys don't know, are basically like the two brothers, if in that sense. So these are basically automation tools where you can just basically without code or a little bit of coding, you can basically build whole automation pipelines, whether it's for a marketing agency where you need to get a lot of leads, or like something like this. If it's to get a lot of leads, or if it's for your e-com store, or whatever the fuck it is that you're trying to do, or can't speak, recruitment process, or any of that, right? You can basically get all of that done from one spot, whether either from Zapier or from make.com, just like this. Okay, so basically make.com is pretty simple. I've gotten my hands dirty with this. So make.com, so let me just explain to you guys basically how this works. So first of all, you can import blueprints, so you can export if you have a copy as well. So I have a copy that I made myself, so let me show you guys. So when you select this, you can what's this one? So once you click this, you should be able to get your, this is my automation procedure. So this is, let me explain what this does. Okay, so this is not properly connected, but this is basically what it does. So this is the Shopify product. Basically, when you give it a product, okay, and you give it a Shopify product, once you link the account, it's gonna repeat this. So repeat it, we'll jam it 4 times, but I have it set to 1 just because I want to see if this works in real time, right? It would give it to GPT. Now you can use GPT or any other, you know, LLM, in other words. Basically, any large language model like GPT, Gemini, Perplexity. Perplexity is not really, no. GPT and Gemini, those two are like the prominent ones. So if you want to like create that, you can just select this. You can select either GPT, or you can even search up Gemini. See, Gemini. Okay, so this is by Google. So if you can just select create a completion, so you can just either have one of those chatbot type of scenarios, or you can create a custom scenario by clicking this. And if I just select Gemini, so it's like, there we go. So you can just basically create a custom API call. So if you guys don't know how this works, so basically in once you select your Google account, okay, this needs to be connected with like a cloud account basically. So you can basically, within this, in this body, you can give it what you want the custom prompt to be. Now this custom prompt is basically a certain set of like instructions. So basically something like this. So you want to, first of all, you want to go on something like GPT, or ideally you want to even have access to something like Gemini. So the way I access Gemini is simply using code. For example, let me show you guys something. In this, okay. It wasn't in this, no. It was in a, so let me show you guys. So over here, I'm using Gemini. So if I go to Gemini routes, so you see over here, this AI chat route component over here, but then, so over here, as you guys can see, so this is accessing, this is using Gemini, okay? Gemini is basically Google's large language model. As you can see, it's imported, and it's basically doing this. So it's sending the formatted response once it processes it, and once it gets the prompt generated. So you need to do a bit of prompt engineering here when you give it the prompt. So this right here, this handles this. So whatever prompt, you need to get it to generate accurate results, right? So even in this scenario, like if I do a, let me just show you guys, just to make sure we're on the same page, just let me just do full span. Let's do full span. And within this, as you guys can see, so if I start this, as you guys can see, I'm just gonna start this. So this is under, let me show you guys. So again, I want to make this in real time, so that way you guys can see me struggling as well. So localhost 8000 is what I'm on, /bots. So /bots is basically this route. This is Node.js, by the way. You guys don't need to really know what's going on here. But in this body, it does the same shit as what you do need to know is what's going on here. Okay, so this body is the same shit as this. So you can just basically give it some sort of, so in this scenario, don't confuse with this, okay? This is a little confusing, I know. But you can basically give it a, the search is basically what I'm referring to over here, okay? As I'm searching as Velox, so that's what I'm doing here. So in this prompt, in your case, you need to give it over here, right? So in this prompt, right? In this prompt. So what I've done here, if you guys can understand this, okay? This means search, okay? Search means whatever I'm searching for, respond back to username. So username is basically what my name is, okay? Again, this right here, you can say something like, let me say, what's the weather in Colombo, Sri Lanka today? Okay, so if I run this, so this is what I've sent, and this is what I'm getting back. So therefore, like, it's basically telling me that I can't provide weather conditions and shit, right? So it's okay. Okay, so basically, let's say, let me ask it some sort of basic, what's the closest, no, not, I need to give it location access. What's the capital? What's the square root? I'll just ask it some math question. Square root. Let's see what it does. See? Okay. All right. So this is basically the response. Okay. So first of all, this is basically, I just want to show you guys this in full swing, right? So let me just close this real quick. So again, you can just give it a post request, and if you want to make like get requests, again, these are just like REST API connection HTTP methods. Okay, so this is not something I will elaborate right now. So you just need to make sure you select an account which is under the Google Cloud Console project. So once you do that, you get an API key. So unfortunately, I can't show you that because that is a bit it's like confidential information. So an API key, do not give it to someone else either. So that's you gotta make sure like you know. So over here, you can just drag and drop whatever you need. So grab the data from let's say, for example, let's say name. Okay, you can give it a name, and within this you can say grab the data from name and give me a custom branded title and description for this product. Okay, so what this would essentially do is it would grab the name of the product from Shopify. Okay, because you see over here, let me just delete this so it avoids confusion. So over here, wait, what just happened? Oh, oh my god, hold up. I just deleted this. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so over here. So now you guys can see that this is connected to Shopify store, right? So let me just delete this real quick. That way it makes no sense. So over here, I'm just gonna select Gemini. That's Vertex AI, yeah. Fuck. I keep selecting the wrong option. Like, am I so stupid? Stupid, right? Okay, so once I connect this, right? So now you can see, let me just make a post request because it's like I'm sending, I'm getting some data, but you can do it with the post request as well. You might want to refer to the AI docs. I will do like a round of this. So I'd say so product name, because I've connected this with this, right? As you can see this line. So this connection is established. So I'm just gonna say name, okay, the name of the product, okay, because I'm getting a specific product. That's why it says get a product, okay. So I'm saying for name, create me a branded title and description. Okay, so this is all it does. So if so it's basically it's telling me to like select the Google Cloud project. So I need to create a project. I can't do that on stream because it shows me a few keys and stuff which I can't be showing you guys on stream. So I need to make sure I create. Again, this is not that complicated. Just go to Google Cloud and create a project, and you will get like an API key. You enter that, boom, everything's fine. Okay, so you just select the project and you should be fine. Okay, so basically what I'm saying here is this is doing one thing. It gets the product from Shopify, and it basically creates me a branded title and description. So once it creates this, you can basically make it in a way. Okay. So I mean, just select OK. Okay, it just doesn't let me select OK because of that error. So I'm going to. I'm pretty sure I can duplicate this. Where's the duplicate button? I had a duplicate button somewhere. Okay, there we go. So it's much cleaner now. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is wait, this is the other way around. Why is this the other way around? No, I need to fix this a bit. Anyways, basically right here, get a product. Okay, give it to GPT. It would custom prompt it, just like I showed you guys earlier. At this time with GPT, and you update the product with the new data that's given. Okay, so you accordingly update the product. So once you create the connection, again, shows sensitive information. That's why I can't do that on stream. Over here, same thing. So over here, it basically makes an API call, gets the product from Shopify. It repeats this 4 times, but I've set it to 1. and over here it makes an API call where it basically grabs the product and it just like creates a pin, and then it gives all the Pinterest details, and it also grabs the media. That's what I'm trying to automate with a different application, but I'm trying to get this first simple scenario working first, right? We want to work with something that's simple earlier. So I'm trying to get this to work. So let's see if we can get this to work. So I'm going to use, instead of using GPT, I'm going to use Gemini, and I need to give it a custom prompt. So now the prompt that I need to give it is for the name of the product. Where is it? Name for get a product. Okay, over here. For name, create me a branded title and description. Okay, so give it to me in title. Okay, so this is the prompt that I gotta give it. Okay, so for the name of the product, give me a branded title and description. Give it to me a product title, product description, key value format. Again, if you guys don't know what this works, it's basically called a hash map. So it's like a key value pair. So when you refer to the key, you can get the value of the product for the thing. For the JSON guys, it's basically just like key value. So it's like JSON format, JavaScript object notation. So over here, as you guys can see, so it's gonna basically give it to me in key value format. So once it gives it to me in key value format, I can basically update the product with the specific, the key value. Okay, it's as simple as that. So again, over here, I don't really need to give anything else. You can just give it a post request, and this is what you need to do. Okay, so again, I can't do that on stream because this is going to show some sensitive information. So I'm going to cancel that for now. So again, if you guys want the blueprint, just let me know. I will send it to you guys. I can't export the blueprint for now. That's alright. Just gonna say Millie. Okay, so that's basically before. Again, this is the this is the prompt, as you guys can see. Again, shout out to Otley. Over here, as you can see, it gives me everything in the title, the description format. Okay, it's pretty simple. So what I need to do here is make sure this updates the product title as well, just like that. Okay, cool. All right, easy stuff. Now let's move on to Zapier. If I can do the same thing on Zapier. So on Zapier, the interface is a little different. So this is what I'm trying to learn today, right? First of all, we have all these different tools, different types of tools, as you guys can see. So let's go one by one. Okay. So this is a custom code. Okay, so this seems like this is like the older brother of make.com. You have more options over here, right? So the first thing that I need to do here, okay, I'm gonna start with something like Shopify. Okay, when you select Shopify, change your app. Okay, that's fine. So over here, trigger an event. So I'm gonna select something like, let's see. No, that's fine. Let me just, how can I delete this? I can't delete this. This is so confusing compared to like, okay, okay, got it. So let's go and select something like, no trigger available. Okay, that's fine. Oh wait, I need a trigger. Shit. Let me just delete this and start fresh. I think, yeah, I need a trigger. That's something that I didn't really consider. A news app. There you go. Cool. I think we're fine. So over here in this app. Okay, so this is the trigger, right? Okay, so basically I can give it the same prompt as earlier for create me a banner title. So in here I can say for Shopify product name, create me a. So if I select this, it should probably create me a outline for my tab. So okay, there we go. So if I just select this, this, does that work like that? Okay, so you can automate and Here's Zapier. Okay, so over here, so you can add the account. Okay, new product. You can connect the Shopify account. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys this because it's once again sensitive information. I'm scared it might like show you guys some API key or something. Again, for the developer friends, this is gonna be it's gonna be like heaven when you get like an API key, someone else's API key. So over here you can just be like over here. I'm just gonna. This is more complicated, but it's better, I think. So you can extract like the names and stuff. Let's see. I think you can extract. Let's say title. Yeah, so title. You extract the title, and why does it? Okay, it doesn't let me edit this properly. Oh, it wants me to go step by step. Okay, this is more annoying than make.com though. Yeah, it doesn't let me. So basically, right here, I need to make sure gets the title, and then gives this prompt to GPT or some large language model, and then that one is given to that one is updated back with the product. Okay, so basically, in that sense, this is easier. Okay, I think yeah, make.com is overall easier because it allows you to automate most of the things. So I need to like see if I can connect these. So I can't connect the accounts on stream because it's basically it's a broadcast, dude. What do you expect? So over here it's gonna update the product, so it's gonna get the product details. Okay, so I'm gonna do something, right? Get product. Get a product. Fuck. Okay, so over here, I'm gonna say get a product. Connect this. Bro, why does it keep connecting back? The fuck is happening here? Okay. I think let me export this blueprint. I'm just gonna call it Millie. And I'm gonna delete all these blueprints. No, I'm just gonna delete all these blueprints. I'm gonna start fresh by refreshing this. Because I haven't saved this scenario, so it's not gonna really save it. Let's go. Come on. Show me. Show me. Okay, there we go. So now I'm gonna start fresh. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I have the prompt here, right? So first of all, I need to make sure it not one of these, but I'm gonna try it and select Shopify and get a product. Okay. So first of all, before that, I need to enter like a trigger. So I'm gonna select flow control, and we'll repeat. Yep, it needs to not repeater. What sort of flow control do I need? Let me see. Flow control. Oops. Actions, feeders, aggregators, orders. Flow control make doc. Okay. So splits the flow. Okay. This is more of like a. This is powerful. I need to know what it does, but over here I'm gonna select repeater for now, just to have something that repeats every single time. Actually, I don't need a repeater. I just need something that like. No, I need something that's sort of iterator. Okay. Iterator if okay. So it's like a if. Okay, no. It's like an if condition here. So this is more of like no. I'll just have like I don't really need any of this now that I think about it. I need to read a lot more on this. Right. Anyways, so yeah, basically first of all, I'm gonna select Shopify. Sorry. Shopify, get a product. Get a product, just like this. Now I gotta create a connection, so I'm gonna select like okay. You just grab this real quick. Oh, it doesn't let me connect it for some reason. So I need to connect it with like I think it's an authentication problem. But once I connect it, right, you can select Gemini. Just like that. So right here, you can create an API call. So it's pretty simple. So all you do here is select Gemini, and now you select post request. And in here, you give it the prompt from earlier. That is this. Okay. So create a prompt from earlier. So instead of this, you can just select name, options, dot name, this one. Okay. So you just click product ID. No, none of this. It's basically product name. Okay. So yeah, there we go. Get rid of this. There we go. Just like that. And give it the GCP. And I gotta connect this. Okay, it's showing me. I already have a cloud account. Okay, there we go. Should let me connect it, right? Okay, project. I'm just gonna this is like one of the projects that I created earlier, so I gotta make sure. Let's see. Gotta enable this API. I think I gotta go to the cloud. I don't wanna open that on stream though. So yeah, basically once this is done, value must not be empty. So yeah, I need to service endpoint location ID. I don't know what this is too much about, but I need to go on the cloud console and see what this is about. Okay, so once this is done, you hit OK, and then once that is done, select Shopify, update a product. It's going to be once the connection is done. It won't let me connect, but once the connection is done, it should basically prompt GPT. Would give it the updated product name and title, and then we'll update this product over here. Right? Simple as that. It's a simple use case. So it's for updating product titles and stuff. So apart from that, what I can do is I can create another scenario. Let me check the explore the tools. Okay, so this is sleep is basically to sleep for a while and then do it again. Okay. I was thinking of scheduling stuff, having a schedule basis, but nah, most applications have schedule tools within them, so it's not really, there's no big point. What I can do is Shopify, no, not Shopify. So it's good for agencies, and in this scenario, I'm going to do something. Okay, so I have an idea. Okay, so if you have the to mid-journey. Okay, so in this scenario, I'm not thinking of email marketing or any of that. I'm just trying to think of the different scenarios that I can cover in. Bubble. No. Let me think. The Shopify is one of those scenarios. What else? So if I have a router, I can, okay, if I have a router and if I can connect this to that. If I can connect this router to, if I can connect this as a flow control router. Okay, so now this is going in flow control order. That's the annoying thing, because you gotta you can't do it from the front, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so it's gotta be you gotta make sure this flow is created within this. You get what I mean? So let's just do that real quick. No. What did I just do? Same error, that's fine. Okay, I can, okay. That's fine. Let's leave it like that then. It's okay. Just like that. Okay, I don't think it will really connect right now. But yeah, off stream I need to make sure this configuration is done properly. This could be to like the product, but then this could be to run ads. So I'd say for ads, you need to make sure let's say you give it like Shopify. Let's say create. Facebook is usually where we run ads, right? So Facebook ads. No, not campaign management. I guess this is to like, yeah, this is to get the overall details, not to like run the ads. Nope, this is general Facebook. Yeah, I need to, okay, cool, that's fine. I gotta connect the Facebook account. And then I also could have Instagram. Instagram for business. Okay, so this is Facebook conversions API. This is Instagram for business. And you can also connect it with something else. So the thing is, okay, in this scenario, I don't think we can automate this. We gotta do it manually, running ads, because it's one of those tedious procedures, you know. But we can. Then first, this would create a print pin. I'm just gonna create a dummy pin. See, it's gonna give it an image URL like. Yo, what the fuck? Okay. Cool. Cool. Where is bro voice? Bro, come on. Hey, this is just how I sound, man. I don't know. This is just how I sound, man. What am I supposed to do? Hey, man, what's cool, man? You know, this is my real voice, man. You know, it's not my voice is just zesty for some reason. I wish I could change that shit, but I can't. you know, Pinterest creates a Discord message, automated Discord message. Hey man, stop laughing, man. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. So right here, so it should basically send the messages on autopilot. Cool. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So create a pin, Discord messages. So once this is done, I could do something different. PMO with the mic setup, bruh. Man, Discord message. Yeah, so this I want this to like sort of send the message. So once it creates the pin, it has a custom prompt. So it has this, hey, well, this has been posted. So I'll click here to refer to it. There we go. Okay. I wish I could just do like a Discord, where is it? You could do like something like Discord. No, hey walls. You just do volunteers, I think. No, never mind. There's no command. It's okay. It's okay. Hey walls, title has been posted. Click here to refer to it. Okay, so you just have the title of the Pinterest post and the link. Okay, just like that. So once you click OK, it's going to work like that. Simple as that. Okay, pretty cool. Cool. Okay, everything's fine. So this updates the product name. So this is basically the Shopify item. It basically makes an API call. So I need to fill in the Google Cloud details and stuff. So for that, I have this in place. So it should be fine. This one. So once that does that, basically the Shopify product will be updated. And over here, it does the same shit over here. So I don't really need to do this again. So I'm just going to delete this, this module real quick. Okay, cool. So it's going to, once it's done, so once you make this post, right, it will basically run this, and it's going to send a message to the Discord team. Okay, it's on this server, on this fire channel. Cool. Great. Okay, easy stuff. Tools, this, I don't really need a text aggregator. Aggregator, I can't, I just aggregate, that's crazy. Switch. Oh, okay, so we can like, so when specific username responds to this, you can like, right. I'm gonna try something. Hold up. I have a little idea. So I know this is like, okay, I'm gonna save this real quick. Call it. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this real quick. So that way, like it, I mean, I haven't saved it, so it's gonna refresh the whole thing, right? And remove everything, right? So I'm gonna make this in a way where it would say, hello, what's up? And just give it some like, little commands. Let's see if it works. This is fun. It's pretty cool. So it's a, okay, I have an idea. So in this, right? Okay, so let's say Discord. Send a message. Okay, send a message on this channel. So it's basically servers walls channel. So say walls. Hello, dear friends. How are you guys doing today? And okay. It's like okay. Let's see if this works. Yo, it actually works. What the fuck? Yo, this is dumb funny though. Okay. So let's say it depends. Okay, depending on the response, let's say a switch case. If the input they gave, if I react to it with the emoji, no, If I react to it with an emoji, right? Regular text expression. Interesting. Regular text expression. Okay, so basically if I respond to it with like an let's say, okay, I'm gonna have like a repeater scenario where like I have multiple modules, okay? So let's say Discord, okay, send a message. Okay, I've connected this already, so I don't really need to do that. So I'm gonna have a repeater scenario. This is fun. Hold on. Let me just, alright, so this is Discord. Okay, let me just like repeat a scenario. So repeat repeater. I was gonna like spam with this. Cool. Discord. Send a message. Just like that. Select the message channel. It's false. I was gonna test on else. I'm gonna make a channel called testing my butt. Testing my butt. Hello, is me Bello for real? Me real for Bello for real? Alright, so let me say if say let's just say yo, what's good? Hello, but for real. Let's run this. Yeah, there we go. Let's run this. Let's see. Sorry about the background noise, guys. This is funny. Oh hell, what the he? I said 5 times, my boy. Oh, 3 times. Okay, let me just do it like 10 times. Let's see. Okay, I can do it up to 1,000 times. That's crazy. Yo, it's actually fire though. Like I repeated. Like, oh wait, what happened? Oh, I'm rate limited. That's crazy. So I can't like. Okay, yeah, just go spamming. Okay. I'm gonna give it a little bit, like 2 minutes, and I'm gonna try this again. What if I can like automate something YouTube related? So if I just do YouTube, right? Watch videos on the channel. Yo, this is actually pretty fire because like you can like get paid to do shit like this, you know? Set a video something, upload a video. Yeah, you can like have like an automated video workflow. So you can like, so you can have like a system where it's like, okay, this is pretty cool. So you can say, like once a video is uploaded, right? So let's say once a video is uploaded, say, oops. So once this basic trigger, okay. So, oh no. So once a YouTube video is uploaded, so you say YouTube. No, I can have like a trigger. So if I just click on it, it would run that when I iterate on it. So we'll get the YouTube video title. Okay, once it's uploaded, get the title. Is out now. And then I can give it like a link. Where is it? Where's the fucking link? Where the fuck is the link, man? Bro, where is it actually? Where is the link? I'm not too sure where the link is, to be honest. Like the link should be somewhere here. I don't see it. I don't see the link here. Yeah, I don't think I can get the link. But if I just like manually give it like in a webhook. Okay, so let's say custom webhook. Okay. So to this, if I okay, so if I can configure this in a way where the webhook receives the data and then it takes it, so the webhook receives the data and then it would just how do I explain? Get okay, so you send the data from the webhook to let me think. I'm gonna connect my Veloxel channel. Hopefully it doesn't show me any sensitive information. Like keys or any of that shit. I'll be fucked if that happens. Let me run the okay. There we go. And we're done. Cool. Cool. So we can just select imagine you can just like upload like a file. So you can select the file from somewhere. Okay, you can select it from like a drive data. Okay. Description of the video. Okay. That's pretty cool. I can't do that right now though. Okay, over here. This should okay, so this is working obviously. So I can this failed because I got rate limited, right? Because I was spamming, in other words. If I run this once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did it 6 times until I'm rate limited once again. Oh no, I'm rate limit. Okay, okay, so I can only like Discord message read. So I can only like send. So this is how spamming is done. You know, 50 requests. Five messages. Okay, that's why. So if I send this to like 5 times, let's say, set this to like not 55. So if I send this like 5 times, then I shouldn't be at a big problem. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no problem. See, it's Discord's rate limiting. Anyways, it's pretty cool. You can have like 2 different things. So let's say I create a switch case, a router, in other words. Discord message, send a message, send a message. In here, I'm going to select the message channel, and I'll select testing my bot, and Among Us is awesome. Okay, Among Us is awesome, literally. Let's say socials. I am testing socials. Okay, and then okay, I can just have like a okay, first of all, okay, in here, instead of this, I can have like a repeater. Repeat it 5 times, because that's like the max. No, I'll give 3 times for this. Max peoples. Send a message. Testing Among Us. Okay, and then you just say that. What even is that? Okay, so this repeater goes for 3 times, and this repeater goes for 2 times because this code's rate limiting, right? So let's say this. Send a message. Hey walls, I love you guys. Okay, this is a. By the way, this is what the testing. Okay, see if this works. So let me just delete this real quick. I'm just gonna export this anyway, because you know. Say this is a Discord scenario, and I'll delete this one real quick. Let's run this and see. I got. Wait, flow is empty. Flow. Which flow? Wait, which one? Which flow are they talking about? What? Okay, what if I do this individually? Flow is empty. Yo. Oh, wait. No, this is the main flow. Okay. Oh, this needs to. Okay, this needs to be linked in somewhere. Okay. Oh, okay. So you can just do this. Oh, interesting. Yo. Yo, this is actually fire. Yo. This is actually fire because, like, you can. It's the same procedure regardless of what you're trying to do. See? I was gonna say. Well, this code but tweak it. Yo, this is actually fire. Like, it sends messages when it has to. You can, like, grab it from different ends as well. Interesting. Cool. I gotta create like a specific scenario. So I think the best thing you can do is you can just like draw like a scenario first, or like at least jot down the scenario first, and then afterwards just like a lot of different things. Yeah. What the fuck is on my screen? Yo. All right. So this right here has to be the. Yo. What the fuck? I can't escape, bro. Come on. I can't escape. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say. I'm just gonna say hello. All right. So. Fuck. My shit's lagging. Cool. This is hello. So once you do this, what you gotta do first is you just gotta make sure this hello is like branched out. So first of all, let's say for Shopify for dropshipping, the only things that you need, not these, right? Building a website. You can automate this, but you can push creatives and run ads. This can be automated. So say you have like a button, say Instagram. Let me authorize this real quick. Oh man, I got a login. That's crazy. Why do I gotta log in with like fucking Facebook? I'm gonna try like no. I'm gonna try and do Instagram on the gram. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna try and select create a post. Where is it? Create a post, just like that. Oh, for running ads, we need to have a Facebook connection. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't show any like passwords. That made my heart stop for a while. Cool. Okay. Cool. So now you gotta select the Instagram business account and the video URL. You gotta give it a video URL. You gotta give it a caption, cover frame, location ID. So whenever like this has okay, so when this so basically yeah, from the main switch, it basically executes all these. So you can add a video URL page. So you can select like a page, caption of the the ad that you're trying to run, cover frame. You can select like a cover frame for this. Location seconds, video, okay. Location ID, what is this? Interesting. I'll refer to this again. So once this is done, you can just like Instagram for business. Cool. Media ID, select all. Okay, so when you give it the post ID, okay, it would take the post ID from this, and then boom, just like that. So what it does is it would like show you like the insights and stuff. But this doesn't need to be from like right after, right? Okay, anyways. So I just gotta see. So you just gotta run ads and push creatives. So push creatives can be done manually even. Uh so again, once again, product. So this is pushing creatives, right? The video ads and organic and paid. So for organic and paid both, you can just do this and get the insights even. You just need conversions on the website. So all you need is the earlier scenario, right? So if I just save this real quick for now. No, I don't really need to save this. I'm just gonna like get an export. Okay. The website would like redirect from the website to the from the ad to the website, that type of thing. So you don't gotta like externally put that. You just gotta like have the ad redirect to the website. So this will be where the website's gonna be. Try to build the site that we need to do manually. Connect YT. So connect YT and uploading schedules is like pretty easy. So you just do YouTube, watch video, no, upload a video, right? Connect YT, auto schedule vids, marketing. So this one also can be done. Marketing autos and notifications. Automated shots posted to every shot from platform. Automated shots posted to every shot from platform. Yeah, so this is auto send notifications can be done with something like WhatsApp, for example. Let's say my computer's tweaking. Okay. Got it. I need an API key for this. Oh, you gotta pay for this. Okay. That's fine. We'll find an alternative. I can create like one of my own scripts for the WhatsApp script though. I just need to make sure it like triggers that, you know, makes a request. So this is all I need to do. I can just be like, I can give it like my own website and just have like a post request to this website, to my website, and just say in the, let's say title is posted, and just give it the link of the post. So for example, is no. Okay, so I just need to give, let's say for example, I have my own website, like, so if it makes like a post request to my website, I can like, let's say, if I have like a basic server, so hosted somewhere, so let's say, so I can just do this, right? Because a basic Mongo. So this basically, once I upload a video, it's gonna make a post request to this. So this is going to externally notify my people on WhatsApp. And what else? It's going to externally notify people on WhatsApp. And yeah, YT video is gonna be made, and it's gonna notify the people on WhatsApp. And so this needs to be the route that I'm gonna be sending this to. So I'm sending JSON, obviously. I'm sending the video ID. So the video ID will be sent. Let's say video ID, not video ID. Just like that, close that. Because it needs to be in this format, right? So Now, uh, should be fine. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. Where's the video idea? This is the video idea. Okay. It basically gets the chicks for state is healthy. Oh yeah, I just need to do health. Oh yeah, this was the route that I was talking about. See, just like that. Okay, cool. Anyways, I just need to make sure I just commit this real quick. Okay, I need to just have like a tool that automates WhatsApp. So once I have WhatsApp integrated, right? So once I have WhatsApp integrated, everything should be fine. Okay, you have the video, you have the request, and you just need WhatsApp to be integrated. Makes a request and once WhatsApp is integrated, you go to Gmail. No, not creates an email. Yeah, everything should be fine here. I need to just make sure this sends the messages accordingly to everyone. And it's basically not spams, but like, you know, in that sort of basis. So once this makes this request, it should send with this. That should be received over here. It should notify people. Simple as that. Easy stuff, okay. Oops, my bad. Cool. Awesome. Okay. Just run this and then boom, everything should be fine. Don't question it. Okay, so it's gonna basically, it just needs to make the request to my backend. So once this is deployed, I need to give it like the public domain. So once that is done, it should be connected with YT. And yeah, that should be fine. Fuck even use this. Anyways, I'm just gonna try and video makes a request. So it makes a request here, it receives the video ID just like this. And once it requests the video ID at notify, then it will basically send the message to this route, the domain, public domain, uploads the video, sends a request, and then everything should be fine from there. Okay, cool. So this is for posting the videos. Once again, stick into this. So when it auto sends notifications, and it basically automates posting shots. Posting shots, I could low key. Opus clip. Is Opus clip part of this? Nope. I gotta make it externally. So I need to make sure it makes a request and I get the Opus clip API. Let's see if Opus clip gives out the API. I just need to make sure like it's basically making a post request. I need to give the Opus API. Bro, where's the API? Oh, you need, bro, are you serious? You gotta contact them in order to just access the API? That's crazy. The documentation? What's the API documentation? This is just an introduction. I need to make sure I get the API, and if I can send the data through the API to OpenScript, then I should be able to have the domain, and then it just basically sends the request with the content. And from this, it should be able to, so if I can make this sort of return, like instead of saying so basically everything's successful, if I can just send like the request of the video ID, so let's say like video ID, it's like video. Yeah, if I can send the video ID to like to the Opus clip directly from this, then boom, you have it just like this. See? See? So if I can send it to Opus clip from the data. Okay. So the data is basically what it's going to return back. The video ID. Okay. Or the video URL. This video URL will be given to Opus clip. I need to give the Opus clip this. Because in the API request, I think I should be able to. If I can read the docs on this. Okay. What's with this documentation? It's so fucking ass. So it basically sends the video URL once it's finalized. So that's basically going to be received over here. So that way I can send it to OpenScript with the data, the output data once you hit the endpoint. So this is going to be the endpoint, like this one. And then once that is done, it's going to give that output data, which is basically this. That's basically what it's returning. So let's give it a return. So wait. Okay. Okay, so it's going to return that, and that's going to be sent to OpenScript. And OpenScript is going to make the video, and then it's going to post it to upload more videos to my YT channel. So that's basically what I have here. So first time Maven, you can do that. Product, WhatsApp, conversions. Browser and build site. That's it. Okay. So everything can be done from this. So over here. upload a video, so you can just give it. You can use AI to like write the titles and stuff. But honestly, you can just like get this directly from OpenScript. I just need to know how this API works. Okay, so it basically gives you like the. Okay, so we just need to like download from here and then like post it onto using through OpenScript. Can I get CapCut here? No, I can't. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna save this. Cool. Okay. So I think I should be able to automate this. So I have to deploy this backend. So this returns a video URL with the ID. That way the video URL will be given to OpenScript with the post request. And then once it gives the post request, it's going to generate the clips. And that way I can get my finalized clips maybe scheduled. So for that, I can use AI. Let's say Gemini, and we can make an API call. So within this API call, I can specify instructions in a way that I can just do body. Within this body, I can actually like specify what I want. So this is actually a JSON body, so I need to be very specific with what I'm sending. So I gotta put it in JSON notation. So now within this, what I can do is I can give it like whatever that it wants. So I need to make sure for the YouTube docs for this as well. But yeah, this could be automated for sure. I'm just gonna save the workflow. Okay, just like this. Fire. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So you can like schedule it for like every 15 minutes even, like that. Pretty cool stuff. You run it once, and then it just basically runs only once. So when you come here, you can like set a timer even. If you want like scheduling, you can just turn it on. Oh fuck, did I just click? Okay, I don't have scheduling on. Okay, that's okay. So yeah, basically you can have this automated, this one, and you can create this. Basically Gemini will feed it to YT, so you can just get the output from Gemini and feed it to the YouTube video once if you want it to be automated. Okay, simple as that. So you can get this title and file name. So whatever response you're getting from this, right? You can just give it here. And yeah, this is from the, sorry, this one. Oh no, it's I'm sorry. It's this. I need to configure this properly. And that needs to be the data. The data needs to be, what's this? Okay. Yeah, I gotta figure something out here properly. I don't think it's that complicated though. Okay, so once you do that, you can have the media insights and stuff. This works obviously, so I don't really need this, but I can use this to like, you have a different scenario. So pretty much that's it. I just need to make sure I come up with a proper scenario. Something like this. And then use it to automate. Okay. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is what I'm gonna try and do. And this is the build side, push creatives, run ads, connect YT, auto schedule the videos, and I need to get familiar with this API so that way I can like know how to fucking use it. SMMA, maybe clients. Yeah, getting clients is pretty easy if you have like a workflow over here. You just need to do like, even if you can use AI automated agents, you can get like infinite clients. So you just need a sales funnel for that. So if you create a sales funnel and you have it in order, you can just automate using one of these scenarios. Simple as that. I'm just gonna save this because I will like bash around, you know, do whatever the fuck. But yeah, cool. Everything's fine. Okay. I just need this API documentation is dog shit. Sorry, but yeah, I need to deploy this real quick and get this to work. So wait, basically, this itself will return that data over here. But this is paid, so I'm gonna close all these tabs, and yeah, just try to stop one of these because this is actually pretty cool. Like using make.com, you can do a lot of things, just like this. See. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and do something. Anyways, guys, that's basically for today. I'm gonna go take a break and try to get back and do this properly and create an actual scenario by